To see how your design will appear on Teespring specialty products, first access the product's preview file provided in the template folder linked in the Teespring launcher. Don't forget, preview files are optimized for Adobe Photoshop because they require smart objects. Open the preview file, read the instructions, and then delete the instructions layer. Next, you'll see 3 design artboards: a front view, a back view, and an artwork panel. To create a product preview, we will only need to edit the artwork panel. Double-click the artwork layer in the Layers panel. This will open up a new linked Photoshop file. Next, import your specialty product design template and save the file. Then go back to the original preview file using the tabs above the design area. As you can see, the design template we added has now been incorporated into the front and back mockup of the specialty product. If you need to adjust the template or design placement, just head back to the artwork layer and repeat this process. Please note this is a low-resolution preview file and it's designed for your personal use only. You do not need to submit preview mockups in the Teespring launcher because our team will create high-resolution mockups for you when we process your request.